everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. आज हम बात करेंगे one of the national research university, MP Ogra Mordovia State University. We'll be discussing about the year of establishment, location, hospital facilities, what about the connectivity from India, hostel कैसा है, fee structure and entire admission process, everything. So watch the video till the end. Stay tuned. Hi, this is Anusha from Coral Education. MP Ogra Mordovia State University, it is one of the national research university which is located in Sarnast, which is the capital of Republic of Mordovia, which is located in the western part of Russia. So it's a very beautiful city. It has been developed big time after the FIFA World Cup's final which has happened on 2018 with the modern infrastructure and facilities. About the population, if you ask me, it's around 3,26,000. So आप लोग का patient inflow बहुत अच्छा होता है. Connectivity का बात करेंगे तो दिल्ली से मॉस्को, from Moscow it is just 625 kilometers away. तो आप लोग directly भी flight है सारनाथ का. Otherwise you can take either bus, cab or train. Flight में जाएंगे तो it will take around 1 hour, and if you are going to take other transportation somewhere between 9 to 10 hours में हम we can go and reach the university. Year of establishment का बात करेंगे तो 1931 it's been established और Indian students 1992 से ही जा रहे हैं उधर और पूरा English medium I think 2013 onwards it's been started. So faculty also is having a good experience to teach the Indian students as well as handling the English medium syllabus. So there are so many pass-outs has already happened here. Approval, it is NMC approved and WHO. So worldwide, the student can go and practice anywhere after clearing the screening exam of that particular country. When we talk about the infrastructure, it's a very huge building of 15 floors with all the amenities and nearly 28 academic block है and 12 residence also. Hospital का बात करेंगे तो nearly 35 hospital it's been associated. So patient का inflow and clinical exposure is really good and sports facilities. So here बिल्कुल कॉलेज का सामने बहुत बड़ा स्पोर्ट्स अरीना है विद ऑल द फैसिलिटीज जिम स्विमिंग पूल आइस हॉकी फुटबॉल बास्केटबॉल all the indoor activities. So student get all the facilities and avail the same. Hostel का बात करेंगे तो there is a separate boys and girls hostel with 24/7 surveillance camera. So completely safe and secured environment आपको मिलेगा with all the furnished facilities. Triple sharing भी है आपका, 4 sharing and even double sharing with all the cupboard everything. Students से अच्छा reviews आते हैं regarding mess also. Indian chef ही है, so you have both veg and non-veg options. Culturals का बात करेंगे तो all the events and all the festivals if you ask me like Pongal, Diwali, Holi, name it, everything will be celebrated. In fact, Indian इधर से parents भी जाते हैं. Recently also some event has happened where Indian students का parents all has visited there. So it's a wonderful environment you will get. Tuition fees का बात करेंगे तो per year it will cost somewhere around $4,500. इसके अलावा there will be medical insurance, hostel, mess, all those things. Somewhere आप लोग का budget 30 lakh के अंदर है. Definitely this is one of the university with a high quality education and much demand on Indian students. For more details, you can connect with the below number. We will be giving you one-to-one free counseling also. Other than that, आप लोग का मन में कोई भी एक particular college है, you can comment in our comment section. So we will be giving you a detailed info about that particular college also, and you can join our WhatsApp community where we will be keep on updating with the MBBS abroad program. Thanks for watching.